Google sometimes keeps files for up to 60 days after deleting from trash due to server retention laws, even though they don't appear in your account.
To contact Google Support, open Google Photos, then click Settings, go to Help and Support, and finally click Contact Us.
I want to recover photos permanently deleted from Google Photos, including trash. Please check if any files are still available on your server retention.
Check if photos exist on other devices. Google Photos syncs across multiple platforms, even if deleted from one phone.
Check other Google Sync locations. Sometimes photos come back from hidden sync sources.
To find your photos, navigate to internal storage, check the DCIM and Pictures folders first. You can also find yours under Android.
If your photos were originally saved on the phone before uploading to Google Photos, you can try recovering from internal storage.
Best apps to recover permanently deleted photos from Google Photos are Disk Digger, Ease Use MobiSaver, Dr. Phone Data Recovery.